ABC Speaking Academy.
Let's speak English with kids. Do it. Do it. Do it fast. Do it fast. Take a bite. Take a bite. Never mind. Mind. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Stand still. Stand still. Don't move. Don't move. Look here. Look here. Take it. Take it. Be careful. Be careful. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Come downstairs. Come downstairs. Look at me. Look at me. What happened? What happened? Go and play. Go and play. Say goodbye, teacher. Say goodbye, teacher. Clean it. Clean it. Repeat at. Repeat at. Get up. Get up. Wake up. Wake up. Anything else? Anything else? Nothing else. Nothing else. Taste it. Taste it. Give me. Give me. What is this? What is this? Show me. Show me. Listen to me. Listen to me. No problem. No problem. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. Something special. Something special. Come in. Come in. Never give up. Never give up. Don't jump. Don't jump. Write down. Write down. You will fall down. You will fall down. Have patience. Have patience. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Don't eat ice cream. Don't eat ice cream. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am angry. I am angry. Are you sick? Are you sick? Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Don't lie. Don't lie. Get ready. Get ready. Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. Good job. Thanks for watching.